This is a Novum sewing machine. I believe it's known as a Precision model, but unfortunately I didn't get a manual with it and I've found very little out about it from my research. My guess is that this machine dates back to the early 1960s. Immediately I can see that the tension assembly is on the faceplate, which tells me that it's based on the Singer 15. Indeed, it takes a Class 15 bobbin and has a Class 15 bobbin case. Singer released the patent for the Class 15 after World War II to help jumpstart the Japanese economy. Many Japanese companies started to produce machines based upon the Singer 15. Over time, improvements were made to these machines. Here we have a stitch length lever with an indicator dial to show where the stitch length has been locked off. Locking the stitch length enables the user to quickly put the machine in reverse and ensures the same stitch length in reverse as when sewing forwards. There's also a knob for dropping the feed dogs, a little for when sewing delicate fabrics such as silk, or fully for darning or free motion work. This model has a light built into the casing itself, rather than bolted on. There's a hinged bobbin cover. This stops the bobbin cover going missing, and the cover has a handy guide telling the user which needles to use with which way to thread. There's also a seam guide engraved into the needle plate. Another feature is the retractable spool pin for when winding bobbins. Developing machines based on the Singer 15 was not exclusive to Japan. The Spanish company Alpha, for example, also built machines based on the 15. The Novum, which incidentally means new thing, states it was manufactured in Ireland. However, this needs to be taken with a pinch of salt. The serial number starts with JA, indicating a Japanese machine, probably made by Janome. I would not be surprised if this same machine was also badged as a new home or a brother. It was common for various manufacturers to import goods into Ireland and have very basic assembly carried out there, such as adding the motor, faceplate or tension assembly. This was enough to enable them to state that it was manufactured in Ireland, and in the process get around import duties or import quotas. As you would expect, winding a bobbin is very similar to winding one on a Singer 15. Release the stop motion knob so the needle does not move while winding the bobbin. Feed the thread through one of the holes in the bobbin and place it on the bobbin winder. Engage the bobbin winder by pushing it down towards the hand wheel and start to operate the foot pedal. Stop when you have enough thread on the bobbin. The Novum does have an automatic stop function for when the bobbin is full. Drop the bobbin into the bobbin case and pull the thread through the slit in the case and under the bobbin tension spring. Use the lever on the bobbin case to hold the bobbin in place while you lock it securely into the machine. And the machine threads up the same way as a Singer 15, with the thread going through the rear top thread guide, down through the tension discs, over the bar and down to the check spring. Before going up to the take-up lever and back down through the thread guide on the faceplate. And finally into the thread guide on the needle bar. The needle threads from left to right, as with most Singer 15s. Turn the hand wheel towards you to bring up the bottom thread. Place your fabric under the presser foot, drop the foot and away you go. Being based on a Singer 15, the Novum is something of a workhorse and will sew through fabrics modern machines would balk at. As I said before, my research on this machine has brought up little. If you have any information about the Novum, please let me know in the comments section below. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of my future videos. Thanks for watching.